National lawmaker Yang Changchun, a post-90s girl in southwest China's Guizhou, is an inheritor of Chinese intangible cultural heritage, Qishui bamboo weaving. The mountainous city of Qishui has been developing the bamboo industry in the past 2 decades, planting over 86,600 hectares of bamboo. Yang has been working on the promotion of Qishui bamboo weaving for over a decade. She has helped many local villages increase income by teaching them bamboo weaving skills. After elected as a deputy to the 13th National People's Congress, the national legislature, Yang has been paying close attention to the inheritance and development of intangible cultural heritage. In 2020, she submitted a motion calling for the integrated development of traditional industries and rural revitalization.
比如说像我们的提的，然后就是非遗人才方面，然后还有就是非遗产业方面如何做，其实国家文化部这边也给了，然后并且落实了。我的特长就是这个手艺，竹编手艺。我把我的特长做好做精，然后能够带动更多的老百姓，并且靠我们大家一起共同的努力，然后能够就是换取更多的收益，然后这样我觉得就是我更好的履职。不光是我们的竹编，还有其他手工艺，这是传承好了，它这是不仅是我们就是国家的一个产业，其实它更是我们每个地方的一个特色，一个文化。我们大家在说乡村振兴，乡村振兴，振兴了以后应该是有别于以前的农村，但又有别于现在的城市。那如果每个地方都没有每个地方的特色，那搞出来是千篇一律的，那也没多大意义。我们非遗它就是一个特色元素，对吧？把我们的文化，把我们的产业，然后都做好做强做大，这是我对未来的一个发展嘛，一个愿景。